Rita husband, bring her come outside. Before now go they talk, Mona they bring now me they see. Now here my husband come outside, beat many of my husband. Like number one, blue. Because now they go find the cost person. Now they are all no good. Now they don't get better man. Now they are all worst. Before you go to talk to Rita, the one who time go say you get daughter when you born, when you don't even know your father. Tell her make it bring your husband out. May we see. And may we do the plus and minus. May we see the one way gallant pass. When he head the pass. When he eat well pass. When he get money pass. When he wear better clothes pass. Thank God. Many of them don't see Rita husband several times on video. And this wedding that is going on. So, before you go call the cheese another person husband. Say, now so this, now so that. I bet. Tell your daughter. Say, make it present a husband. If your husband is presentable. Make it present and make it make sure say he get everything when Rita man gets. Yes. So that we'll go with the presenters. We'll go sit down. Come do one. Come wear. Come higher. Up and down. Banners. No be say, you go come outside the door say, marriage where Rita do. This one. The Kokobiri. That's not Kokobiri. I don't know the one way you're picking, but not be whether I Kokobiri, whether I Ghanaian. All of them are the same. But this woman want change her own now say he picking. Because if now look that ye no koke we picking. Una go no say that ye no koke we. No, that picking no get husband. Una go no say that picking no get husband. Whoa. Ye no koke we move. Say your picking bread don't long reach me. Her breast don't long reach me. Yes. Because single shame not they cash you. Omonamo not do, una say not do. He say do now, una no fi man una business. Mona leave omonamo for waste, make it enjoy marriage. Una job come outside. The useless family of Olosho, the Ketekia, she come outside the match. Keto, I don't know whether you don't get sense. Ketekia, you say your husband get documents. You get. Now you both give your husband a passport. When you want to do marriage, why you not do? Even though you don't get papa, you don't get mama again. Some people, they don't get papa, they don't get mama. Family, now they do that traditional marriage and bride price for person. Ketekia, we not see video when a booking when the lost and concert got to pay money for your head. Traditional marriage picture, we not see you. Why you not do now? Carry your husband go Nigeria. Make you go do traditional and everything there. We know nowadays, my people, who no get money, no go fit do marriage for Nigeria. Abroad on is even easier than Bongo. You know why? Bongo things don't cost. Talk of food, talk of hall, talk of drink, talk of this, talk of that. Money, it go down. Many of them, when they say they marry for abroad, they marry for abroad. Madam, buy tickets, make you and your husband go Nigeria. Go do tradition, bride price, traditional marriage, and white wedding. May you know how much go come up for your pockets. Ketekia, because of stinginess, Ketekia not bold. Kare, you say, say, make they go bongo, make they go do market. Why you take good now? You get money, I get money, you come on, you go Afro shop, you go borrow money, you go meeting, you go borrow money, based on you want to show off. At the end, marriage will not see better marriage. Marriage, what you do for you is the most cheapest. If you want go do marriage for Bogo, and they do marriage, you know why? No, but what tickets where they are to buy, going and coming, baga, the money go down. Tickets where they are to take go Nigeria, going and coming now. It may be the one where you take do marriage for here. We never talk of money they want to put for here. Separate of things when they need separate when they go fair buy to put money for picking head for the family. After that, they will come plan out things where they need for the marriage. They will come say, okay, traditional marriage, canopy. We know how much for canopy. People when go visa, we know how much. Chairs, now they calculate and give you because if we go more, they tell ourselves the truth. Share, you know how much. Drink, you know how much. Wine, we know how much. Things, those places where they sit down, that share, that design, we know how much go down for them. We will not deceive ourselves. Especially this era life where we say things don't cost for Bongo. Meeting when it come, if you don't know the secret of meeting for Bongo, I was one meeting. Meeting when you invite come your party. Their drink is separate. Their food is authentic. Everything about them is authentic. Their food no command of the day because they have a amount they are going to say, okay, they want to support you. They are spraying money different. The one to see they support different. I don't know from that meeting, like the one meeting that I know. Their food, you must let them take kosha. Nothing can go come on. That one is special. Now money go first go down for them. Banga. Any meeting when you invite, their own is separate. Canopy, now they will tell you some go get canopy. Based on say they will get their own private canopy. But so now you go carry the better canopy give them. Their chairs now one you need to design now money go down for them. After that, you will not come to people when you want come when you invite. Friends and well wishers when you come for your party. You need to buy enough drink. Nowadays we know how much when they sell drink. Am I right? Yes or no? After then, you will come no food, money, right? Different type of drink, right? Now, so you go take spend. That go you go say he. I never felt to this one. They'll say no, this one another one. You say he. I never felt pay for this one. They'll say no, this one another one. You say go call the man. You say Now so this marriage be you go one roll kilometer. Yes. Need to tell you now if you don't know take care. You go one room meta say he. So now so he be. You need to do it because you don't enter. After then, musician when you go carry now ego. Musician need to eat good food. You go give them their own food though. Now you know you must give them MC when you go carry. You need to pay. Some musicians not they get MC. You have to pay for MC. Cameraman, he never did there. People when you want snap you picture, he never did there. Madam, oh the name nah. May we the name I beg. We on a bogo. May we tell ourselves the truth. People when buy ticket go Nigeria go marry. Baga. As return to door, he break table leg, go, or break away table. She break table leg. Damn ticket money. Now some people tell they do marriage. They'll say we don't marry. Oh, we don't marry. Yes. Did you know how much for 2 of their tickets? When you gonna hear from there? Now that money many go use. So for you now can take care of the come outside say now say you do marriage. When marriage, you not do marriage. Kaka. When marriage, no marriage. When you do, when it reach return to, may we tell ourselves the truth. If he come and say, I can't give you B, say he, see how much I spend for that marriage, you go say, nah, lie, she lie. Not be lie. 1 cent, no come out. If she brilliantly say, this is how much I spent on that marriage, you go open and say, he, nah, so. Even they know they see small party, even if na birthday, we them know how much they go down. Talk less of marriage. You go buy clothes for yourself. Clothes where they wear never did that. Who come make up on our money? That bead, everything where our money. Clothes where they wear na money. You see clothes, they change how many times? Those one are your money stand by. You will go buy for your relative or family member. Inside there, you go buy for your mama. You go buy for your papa. You go buy for people when you not to get, when you know say, you go fix the head. I be not be so. You have to buy it. Papa and mama on a kosha, who are doy. You must buy and nothing like you not get money. Cow. They must kick cow for that marriage. Now that goat go follow. What you tell me now? But for you to see better cow now, is from 240,000, 300, 500,000. If you get 100,000, say you want to go buy cow, my dear, you don't get cow. You want maybe not 1 leg of cow you want buy. If you don't know, maybe they tell you. Maybe now 1 leg of cow. Now you want buy not be full cow. You get it? 1 leg. If you want buy better cow for people, hold 300K. If you not go 300,000, you not go nowhere there for they say llama. Say you want buy llama, they will drive you with koboko. Go ask. They go drive you. Aboki go drive you with koboko. Because if I say they go ask you whether what you they talk, you sure say that you don't say whether the person they normal. Because things now don't cost. Let's go to a bag of rice, groundnut oil, tomatoes. In fact, we know ketra when you go cook. I've been a Rita sit down cook the food. You see that to pay ketra when you want cook. That cake you see there is big amount of egole. Mo they tell ourselves the truth. Mo give me love and like it. Mo they tell ourselves the truth. That cake when you did this for Bogo, now big ego design what you want. Design what you want. They go give you pride. They go bring the book. They'll say me you select. Before you go see that kind of design. Now big money. Now go use all the days when you do your shipatical marriage, Monica. You are the caretaker of a bola wagbe. Man, I not use our reason this our model. Now I made the thought say, who do last 10 years and who do this time? Not be the same. Now who do this time and I money big. Fine, say marriage and marriage. But the amount you are going to spend is not the same with the people when you fair do. Monica, now that one you need to know. Yes. Now that one you need to know. Things when they want use. Everything when they want use. Now money go down for them. Okay, 500K. God bless you. Cow now. Now almost 300 to 500. 300 up. You don't go see cow of 100,000. Now picking you want buy. They go ask whether a newborn baby. Now you want buy. Nothing like 100,000. Hey, Rivo. I just they tell you now. As for 300 up, 500, 600. Now you go see cow when a big girl your whole bed too. Not be before we go 80,000. You go buy full cow. Drink. Nah, drink. Don't they expensive. They know they talk of months. Many things when you need to buy. We get collagen. Please share this video, guys. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Vera.
Good afternoon, mommy.
This topic today is awesome.
Thank you, mommy.
It's a lovely topic.
Thank you, mommy.
Congratulations to Rita.
Thank you,
She
mom.
took them unaware. That's why they are crying.
Yes.
Yeah. She took them unaware. You know, in life, I discovered something in life. It's not very good to criticize others when they are not in your shoes, and they can never be in your shoes. Philomena in England is not low, it's quite long she moved to England. After she lived in Italy for many years, she had a daughter out of wedlock. The same thing, her daughter is not married. Because I could remember last year there is a video the daughter did, and she was saying some things about herself.
Okay.
That she don't want to have a baby.
Okay.
If they are not careful, that baby girl too will have her own child out of wedlock.
Oh. Thank you.
It's like a generation cause they need to break.
Okay. Yes.
What happened to the daughter? And her daughter delivered another daughter. Yes. So I saw her yesterday when she made the video, but I didn't understand what she was
saying.
Because she was using video language. But when I went through the comments, when people were insulting her, that's why I know what she was talking about. She was indirectly or directly insulting Rita.
Okay.
You cannot even Rita have 10 children for 30 men. She has broke the yoke.
Yes.
She did marriage.
Finally, she did marriage. Now why here?
No matter, it's better to be too long or it's better to be late than to be never.
Okay.
You know, to be late than never. If she is good enough, why is she not married herself?
Okay.
If her daughter is good enough, why is she living in her mother's house?
Oh.
Staying with her
Happy
mother.
birthday, Navasa.
Yeah.
Thank you, my lady.
The daughter. You see, people can come and say nasty things about Rita. Yes, I'm not a fan, but she did the right thing.
Yes.
She did the right thing for breaking the yoke. She did the right thing for making like people to see that, or maybe the young girls or the single mother, that even if you have children out of wedlock, you can still marry. You can still marry.
Yes, of course. Yes.
People come and say, Rita did the right thing. I'm even short of words. When I saw the video, the man, everything was awesome.
Of course. Beautiful. Nah. Share the video, guys.
I said, wow. It's a big conversation to have. Let them go and own the transformer.
Yes.
They want to do, let them do. The most important
Monica to be jealous, of course. Nothing she had not done, you know.
They say loads of things about her, but she let them know that you are not my God. Can you imagine, Philo, after many years in Italy, there are some people don't have shame at all.
At all.
A grandmother, see what a grandmother is doing. Tomorrow, if the little ones come after, maybe they come after them to insult them or something like that, they'll say, you don't have respect. Why are you talking to an
old woman? But when old woman is fully herself, they're blind. That be their problem.
They will say, don't you have a mother in your house? You don't have mother, and you don't have a good home training. But you forgot that she started it first. No at all.
There's
I'm not
no.
saying Rita is angel. I don't know if something has happened between both of them before. No. But no matter what has happened, this is not the right time to pay her back.
Okay.
And you pay her back with wrong because your daughter is not married. You were never married. Both she and her daughter, they were never married.
Yes.
So which one is worse?
Now that one was
Which one
so.
is worse?
That one is worse.
That's just my contribution.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Yeah. So now, so my beautiful people, share this video. Give me love and like, guys. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video, my people. We understand, guys, because we need to tell ourselves. They call my people. We need to tell ourselves the truth. Share this video. Share this video. Share out. Because they won't call the phone now say the most useless monarchia. We don't know marriage when monarchia do. We be say monarchia they come outside the fool herself. She have forgot narrator for social media. She have forgot tell una say want do marriage. More na for no way to na go do amolo because jealousy want buy them. When Iyenu koke way they fool herself now. All of them they are blind though. They're blind. Eye they paint there. They know they see roads. Hello.
Hello, Vera. Good
Afternoon. Okay, ma. Yeah, contribute, ma. We are hearing you. Okay. Wait. Okay. Okay. Okay.
She's a member of GTC, mother. Rita never heard her in anywhere. She doesn't know her from Ada.
Because I know that one.
What we are seeing now is Rita take them on her way.
Yes.
They didn't know people from here to Nigeria. They don't know how Rita goes. That is why all of them came out. That is something Rita for no reason. You understand?
Yes.
Because Rita take them on her way. None of them have any idea of what happened now. None of them have the idea of what is happening in Nigeria now. None of them, apart from only London. None of them, so apart from London. So that is the reason why when they came out, they can say everything.
Yeah. Yes. Pissy for us, not get shame. Good day, good day, mommy. Welcome, mommy. And I saw, na yeah, na so. Okay. Okay. In any way, say she have never offended the Yenukoke way in any way. Jealousy. Kate na person, I need the tech case, so Kate no be human being. Can you imagine? Thank you, my lady. Okay. Yenukoke way. Here we are. Oh, how is even worse star? Here look Coco where and her daughter oh is even worse star. Can you imagine? I say, yeah, not my dear, my lady. Yeah. Where's my lady? Thank you so much. Yeah. My people, they know they talk of Papa Wala side chick. Mary Edos, God go bless you. I too like video when Mary Edos do he finish Monekia. She finished Monekia, the Olo show. Monekia, she finished her. Say now jealousy, they worried, they say, marriage when Rita do is so perfect and beautiful. Everything was so nice. Mary Edos taught truth. Monekia, the fool herself, follow everywhere. Now just name when you marry in Nigeria, what you have to do. Because marriage nowadays in Bogo is not easy. Or my easy, yeah. To say you want to buy this, you want to buy that, you want to do this one, you want to do that one. She did all of them. Go this white wedding now. She did one they go. So where to una cause una the friend one never see. She try, but she not try. She try. If now for her to do all those things, buy tickets here and her husband to go to Nigeria, well good, they try, well. You when you call they run up and down, Monekia they run, waiting they pursue you. Shame on you. Since then now, audio house, audio hotel, you not both go Nigeria. You not both go Nigeria, oh. Now you they carry Lolo. Now you they spend money for Lolo. Now you they save Lolo. Now you they bless Lolo. Now you they do this one. But today, what are you still waiting for? You never still visit Nigeria after the audio hotel. After the audio hotel, hello, mommy. Hello, mommy. I did fine, man. Good afternoon, man.
See, where did they beat Monica?
I don't know.
Who they beat her?
Now, Rita marriage, they beat her, oh.
Who is crying in the house, in the mountain?
Now, Monekia.
CBC Wahala, oh. Now, when he say, why Rita not tell us? She want to marry. This Vera, he said, why Rita not tell us, say, she won't go marry for Nigeria. If supposing Rita tell her.
Mona wait, oh, one after the other. Oh, Mona wait, one after the other. Call her, they call her, Mona wait.
He said, if for Rita, the meeting when Rita go carry and the musician when Rita go carry, can you imagine? Ha!
Say what's happen now?
He said Rita for tell her, say he won't go marry, so that he go tell her how they say do marriage.
Who be this one? You wait, please wait. Somebody is on the line. Wait.
Say he go show the musician. If I tell her the musician will go carry and the meet will carry.
Who be this person? You know they hear word. Wait now. Somebody is on the call, please. Hello?
Rita, when Monica they
be this person now? Relax and wait. Somebody is online. Hello, mommy. Hello, is this?
Yeah, hello?
Hello, please. Somebody is online. Hold on, please. Somebody is online, please. Somebody is online. You have to wait.
So you didn't hear me?
They hear you now, mommy. Talk now.
They just did this stuff. I said Monica can't they compare marriage when she said she do 100 years ago. Me, I don't want to be married. Marriage when she not go Nigeria. She not go.
Now that one me they talk. Monica go Nigeria. Monica with the ticket here.
Listen, Vera. She said, even when you don't marry since how many years? The time when they do it, marriage, they use video, they look, they don't want to marry.
Hey. Oh, Gyogu. Hey.
They know they can't those ones to be married. They're here for Europe. They'll go to put money for the person. Who they won't cash for the person?
Ask me, oh. You ask me.
They won't cash for the husband.
Hey, another person. Now another person they can't. Oh.
So they marry. If you won't marry, if you won't count and say you marry, make you an Ambrose, buy ticket, no na go.
Taya, only ticket money. Now money can't do marriage for her. Monica when there. Ticket where Rita and the husband money when they buy ticket. Now money kia say they do marriage for her. Bro, Agbeo.
They don't see the meeting because Rita used the brain. He not let the video everywhere.
Yeah, I paid them because they don't say anything screenshot. Oh.
The video me and my husband.
Yes. Yes.
They video us.
Yes.
No video meeting. They no video where they dance.
No video where they sit down, where friends and where we shall sit down. Oh, it suits me.
They got the screenshot.
They beyond their camera, they beyond stand by. They want the screenshot. They think only the guesses.
He don't the crisis how many days now when Rita.
He do pay no. Mommy don't say the injection when he give them, they don't go ever well. He paid the rich, he said they are clitoris.
He cry. He just cry because he knows that kind of marriage.
Jesus.
He's saying a married woman.
Eh.
They know they can't you to be married woman, Monica, because you not married, you not go there, you not go to So you're not married. Now you make you go there, now you make they feel where you are.
Okay. Thank you.
Because you're not married. Now you make they feel where you are. If she tell Kuku they can't have for your husband leg 7 times. As if she they do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
7 times. That's what we said they do. Yeah.
The way that they do for marriage. If she won't go feel where you are, if she reason all those things,
you go withdraw back. Make Monica not the turn say do marriage. Monica may shut up her mouth.
Make them leave her alone.
Thank you so much. Of course, my lady. We not care. So far, if follow her go our country, go marry her for a papa and mama ass. We are protected. I tell you, now, mommy, not only Oyibo, mommy, now women feel the carry their Nigeria made their own tribe made go, say me go marry them. Now all women, not be all women now. Daughters of Kokobiri made they live for. He marry and be no marry, he marry.
Respect her, follow her go. They say they don't see the Kokobiri family.
Wait till concern them.
You don't marry, Abi never marry. You don't marry. Now they not get what they'll tell you, they laugh at you.
Oh, thank you, mommy. They do tradition, they do this the bride price, they do tradition, they do white wedding. It's correct. And your Monica all transformer. That
so Monica, you are Rita, and not the same level.
He got paid. Thank you, man.
Then you go bring your driving license, come out.
Oh, driving license is more than 2 years. We not see.
Sarah, when start
yes, he did. Are you star? You're not waiting person not get. I be audio. Monica get license. We don't go hear what for this social media.
Show us everything. Your driving license will not see. We not see.
Not see.
You say you buy 2 houses.
We not see.
We not see.
sick.
You say you build the Shine Your Shine Hotel. You see the road for the Shine Your Shine Hotel. Where people take a great road for Nigeria, you go snap a picture, come put that for Facebook.
Oh, Jesus! This woman not go ever die.
The road to the Shine Your Shine Hotel. If you are in your Nigeria now, if they build the house,
okay.
With the siam, everything with the siam for.
Okay. We don't see you. Thank you, ma. Somebody they call.
Start again and again.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, mommy. All right, mommy. Bye bye. You that no, not first, my people. My throat guys to be. You that call away they call. You call now. You they disturb me since. So my people, he shocked. They not see something record. They hold their camera that day like this. Cameraman snapper, screenshot. They are full hot for their hand. Nothing important to. They don't see anything error to snap. That kind of thing can pay. You know when you carry share sit down, they wait for where error day. You want screenshot time. Hi! The exactly pace where the person they find. Enough you go there. The thing, eh? Hi, cha. It can pay. Now it made the road enter road now. They cry up and down. She married, but she not married. She married. Yes. It does not there when the people say you want to marry that they stress you. What you just have to do, buy your ticket, go to Nigeria, do your things, bring the certificate and bring the pictures, everything. From yes, they'll only call the place, the court where you for do the marriage. So yes, they will send them. If they want to see the proof from the place where they for put the stamp, it's not a banga or phone. Be not be so. You will be that man where they call us now. Call a day, you they call me. But call another day again now, you not call again. Not call this man because then I block, I go block you. Una they sit there, because a person coming at the top, that man for UK, you're the coco. When me drop phone on and say call me again, I block, I go block you direct. Hello. Hello, mommy.
My sister.
Hey, mommy. Share this video, guys. Hello, ma.
Long time, not even know where you enter.
Oh, I do. Maybe not notification.
Don't get a lot, but it's okay.
Oh.
This is cocaine way.
Iye no cocaine way. You say see this person. Who be this person? Hello? Who is this?
Hello?
Sir, you are disturbing me because this phone, the other lady just hung the call. You didn't call. So somebody is calling now, you are calling again. I don't understand. What is happening? See, can you evil human being? My phone dey ground, you not call. Call like they call now, you they call me again. You think I don't know what you are up to? Please don't call my line like that, please. I bought this phone with my money. Please, don't need that kind of call my phone. Hello, ma. They hear you now.
Hello. He's a shameless, the most shameless human being. You see that woman and what they call it, now too old fool. Social media. He na one of them. But now he can't the illiterate pass. He can't stupid.
Anyhow, you might be.
Senseless, disgusting,
hey,
nuisance.
Share this video, man. Give me love and like. Hey, boy, day.
How dare you? You wait, carry belly bone. They not put money for your head. Your daughter, the only daughter where you get, you can't also tell her make you go carry belly so that you become grandmother. Yeah,
block him. You just want to distract you.
And she said that she did that video just for tracking not to Rita. What can you talk for that? Did you say people will go to marriage where their husband people not date there?
Hey. No, you need to go snap everything put for social media. Rita go for snap and put for social media. Mona say the one I go screenshot and the one I don't go screenshot. I won't that.
So even though say you know, I don't listen to her. When a party call her, you understand a party do video finish. She can't call a party do video. A party they talk to that woman. If you see what that woman they talk, my sister. If you listen anywhere, so they talk like one kind of a demeter. A person where they demet. They talk like stupid human being.
Hey!
They talk out of line. Like a party, I can say, a party see they talk to the third party to say, he get my way there to Gagaramo.
Hey!
My
video, give me love and like. When I call they smell. They smell. Oh, Jesus.
People say, a party they talking, the third party say, if they talk about, he get man, no, not to say not get man. He get man where they do,
Do vaga.
They fuck them.
Yeah.
They get man where they sleep with them. Hey, they do a rubber. A party to come.
She is very useless. I know you. Oh.
They look up. The man called the shot. He look come. Madam.